Hello, I'm Anna Gibson, and I'm the principal designer and founder of AKG Design Studio. At AKG, we believe that exceptional design isn't luxury, it's the foundation for better life. Here, we specialize in creating high-impact functional spaces that are uniquely tailored to our clients' success and well-being. And that is exactly what this show is all about. So, join me here each week on Design Tips and Sips as I walk you through functional and style tips, project deep dives, and key design concepts we use every day here at the studio. Ready to elevate your space and your lifestyle? Grab your sips and let's get started. All right, so let's hear from our clients. What kind of attracted you to working with me?
We had done quite a bit of research on designers locally, and we saw beige, and some cream mixed in there too, and that just quite didn't satisfy us. We wanted something that was more creative. We wanted someone who could really help us manifest the vision of moody and sophisticated and cozy, and really bring to life the natural aspects we wanted to see in our kitchen. And that was apparent through Anna's previous designs and is certainly apparent now.
Thank you. And then how was the process of working with me throughout the design? Was it easy? Was it hard?
It was certainly not hard. It was really fantastic how communicative Anna was throughout the entire process. And we can pick colors that we like, but what was really essential for us was someone who knew how to design the function of a kitchen. And that was obvious from the start. That's I don't think we could have had the function that we have in this kitchen without working with Anna. And throughout the process, like guidance and management and communication was, everything that we expected and more you gave us.
So what were some of the pain points in the old kitchen?
I think pain points resulted from it being an older kitchen that had been opened up. So we just had too much space in one part that wasn't usable. So it wasn't efficiently laid out at all. And it was dated in a way. And we had a peninsula counter that really prevented us from accessing the dining room table from the kitchen and having an eye line through a good portion of the house where we would want to be watching our children. So opening it up, making more efficient use of that space was really effective and important for us. Also, when my husband and I are trying to cook together, we were on top of each other, and it made just making dinner for kids a real pain point. So that's overcoming that has made our lives a lot easier in the day-to-day.
Excellent. What's your favorite part of the kitchen now?
So my favorite part of the kitchen, my not practical answer is this feeling I get when I step into the kitchen every single time, and I can look out the back window and feel a sense of nature throughout the kitchen, and just that sense of this feels like home, but also gives me the feeling of how can this be my home? This is incredible. I think everybody should have that. And more practically speaking, a second dishwasher for kids stuff has been a really fantastic practical choice for us. So, and then in terms of design choices, our backsplash was something we splurged on, and we have no regrets.
Yeah, because we were talking about it, like, when we started the initial consultation, it was definitely going to be a little bit on the budget, maybe keep the original cabinetry, see how we can make it within a certain, and then once you really found your backsplash, it was kind of like all, there was no more holding back on making it really the beautiful space that you guys wanted to do.
Yeah, I think it all came together when we picked that out, and that really kind of crystallized the vision, and it decrystallized our budget.
Yeah. People, like, there's always, when I start talking to them, and I think we talked about it too when we started to work together, that there's gonna be something that you want to break your budget on, right? Mm-hmm. Like, and for you guys, it was definitely the backsplash. But I really, I loved it from the first moment, and then seeing it installed right now, and your installers did absolutely phenomenal job putting it together. It really was the cherry on top of everything that we did here. Yeah, absolutely was worth the splurge.
Yeah, and it's the I will say that the ordering process for this, I think, is not something my husband and I could have done alone at all. It's handmade, custom ordered. And the idea of having to place an order for the right amount in case something happens without overpaying and something you can't return, your kind of expertise on that, it helped us navigate kind of a stressful point, and it was literally the exact right amount. So
perfect.
Assistance was appreciated on all fronts.
Thank you. Else you would like to add or to say for maybe somebody that is looking to work with me on future projects?
So I think the only thing I would say is to, if someone's working with you, to take all the advice you have to offer and to kind of let you do your thing too. I felt like I could tell you this, hey, this is kind of this thing that might be a crazy thing we want to do. And you're like, this is how we'll make it work. This is how we'll put this floor with this backsplash and color together. And it's not crazy and it works for what you want. So I think let you do your thing is what I would say.
All right. Thank you. Trust the designer. Trust the process. Well, thank you so much. It was a pleasure working with you on that project, and I absolutely love it. I love all my projects, but definitely I love this one a little bit more. Don't tell me.
I mean, I love it more too. So.
Thank you. That's it.